Hello everyone. In this sessions, we are going to talk about that how you can write the client script inside the UI action so that the UI action works on a client side. So if you see my previous video, we have created a action group. One is called cancel incident, and then after that we have another button called work in progress. Both UI actions are server side. So if you see that this is our cancel incident, which is in server side. So if you click that cancel incident button, what will be happen? This incident is going to be run as a server side and then cancel this incident. But that's what I actually don't want. I want to do a things called there should be a pop-up, and there you should have yes no button. When somebody click yes, that time I want to cancel this incident. So I don't want to cancel immediately. Instead of that, I want to cancel that in a pop-up, and then from the client side we are going to do that. Okay, so that is our requirement. How do you fulfill that requirement? Let's see in this session. The first thing is that if I go back here home screen in that workspace, let's pick any other incident which is not resolved. So this is the another incident. This incident is not actually cancelled. What we are going to do that instead of this server side cancel incident button, we are going to convert to a client side. To do that, we'll go to this cancel incident UI action, and we'll simply check this client checkbox. And once we put the client checkbox, you know that under this on click we can put the function name, and that function name we can call our script. That is for native UI. But if you scroll down under this here, we have a function method. So this is a function method. Here it actually gives us a ability where we can do some kind of stuffs, like we can do any client script performance here. So let's say that for the example, I want to show a modal, and that modal will be work as a client side. Okay, so how can we do that? For that, we have to use that. We have a method called g_modal. So we are going to use that. And in this g_modal, we have a few parameters. First parameter is the title. Let's say that we will say that confirm. So this is our title. Then second parameter is that we have a description. So let's say that we will say that then third parameter is that we have actually function. In this function, this will return some response. So we'll say that the fourth parameter is that it need a JSON called cancel title. So we'll say that cancel title. And then we have another called confirm. So this is pretty much simple standard a pop-up that have a single line of code. One is g_modal.confirm that need a title. This is the description. This is the function, the response function that will return something like what you have selected, like cancel or confirm. Then we have two buttons called cancel title, and then we have another called confirm title. This T should be capital. Okay. So what will be happen? Let's format that code. If you format that, it will be looks like that. So now what we will do, if somebody click confirm or somebody click cancel, what we will do? We will do something, right? So that we are going to define here. So we'll put a called do cancel. This is the function name we are going to call that, and there should be the function should be defined somewhere. So this is we are calling the function. Where should we define that? We'll say that function do cancel. And if you see that in this do cancel, we can pass this response. So we'll pass this response, and then here we will put any name called PRM, and here we'll receive that, like are we click confirm or what do we click? Do we click confirm or do we click cancel? And that we will actually read that. So we'll say that console.log, and then here we'll just print that PRM. So in this PRM it will return true or false. So we'll say that if so we are going to do something, we are going to cancel that. So we'll say that console dot log please cancel, else nothing we are doing. So if it is just click the cancel button, will do nothing. Let's save that. So we'll clear our console. Now if we click here, click cancel, and if you click confirm, you can see that it is returning true, and then it's showing that please cancel. And if we go here, click cancel and then click cancel button, it's showing the false. So we need to be put some code so that it can cancel that. So let's do that. So here, first thing what we have to do, we have to I'll just remove this too for the timing console. We have to define our script include, and we have to call as a glide ajax. So let's do that. So we'll go here and then we'll create a script include. Let's put the script include name for the timing. Let's say that script include name, and then we'll select that client callable, and then here we are going to define a function. So let's say that cancel incident. So this is the function we have defined here. In this function, what we are going to do, that we are going to cancel that. Okay, how we will cancel that? We are going to do a glide record. So I just press the tabs, it's automatically pre-populate. Which table we are going to call? We are going to call that incident table. What should be the how we will find out that? We will find out by sysID. And what should be the sysID? So sysID we are going to define here on the top. So we will say that where id equal to this dot get parameter. Inside that, what we will say, sys param underscore id. Okay, and then this id we are going to pass here as a sysID. And then what we are going to do, that we are going to set the state equal to 8, and then we are going to use the gr.update to update this incident. So let's format that quickly and see if we got any thing. So let's understand quickly a code one more time. So I have created a function cancel incident. Here we know that how we call glide ajax. So using this, we'll receive the ID of this incident. We'll query to that incident, and then we'll set the state, and then we'll just update that. That's it. So this is a pretty much simple code we have written. Now this script include, or you can say that client callable script include, we need to call in our UI action, right? So let's do that. We'll go here, and then here we'll write the code. So we'll say that where GA equal to new glide ajax, and inside that we are going to call our script include. So we are going to call this script include. Let's see, it is in global scope. So we are going to call this script include. Before that, let's copy this name and save this script include. Client callable script include, we normally it's create a ACL. So it's going to create that. Here we are going to pass this script include name, then we'll use the GA dot at param, and then here what we'll do, we'll put that called sys param underscore name. Here we need to pass this function name. What is the function name? This is the function name we are going to pass here, and after that what we'll do, we'll do GA dot at param, and then this time what we are going to do, that we are going to pass this this ID here, and then how do we get this sysID? So we are going to use that g underscore form dot get unique ID value, and we will just do that. After that what we'll do, we'll put the GA dot get XML, and then we'll say that parse response. So this is a function, anything you can put that. So this is a function, so we are going to define this function also. parse response, and then here what we'll do, g underscore form dot, we have a one more method called reload. So we are going to use that reload method. So let's understand one more time. So this is our confirm button. We are going to call a glide ajax called UI builder action. This UI builder action is nothing but a script include, client callable script include. Inside that we are going to call a function called cancel incident. I think I repeated twice, incident. So that function we are going to call that with that sysparam ID get unique value, and then we will get a response. Once we get the response, we will just reload that. So let's say both the So right now my workspace is refreshed. If I go here, click cancel incident, the pop-up is coming. If we click the cancel, nothing should be happen. But if we go and then cancel incident, and if we click confirm, it should cancel and reload that. So let's see. So it's cancel. You can see the state got cancel and it reload. So this way you can actually create your script. You can write your script to cancel or to show a pop-up for a incident.